If you're like most people, your under cabinet storage can get chaotic. I'm gonna fix that and try out a new product. A lot of my clients, when they open up their cabinets down below any sort of sink, whether that's in the kitchen or the bathroom, it causes so much stress because there's so much stuff under there. Items just get lost or forgotten about, and then they go bad. Let's do something about it. This is a sponsored video. I am always looking for great new products to add to my recommendations for clients. LifeWit recently reached out to me, and I'm so excited to give this product a try. Okay, are you recording?
Yeah.
Here it is. This is the LifeWit Under Sink Organizer. It comes in white and black, and I've got a little check mark right here that says I got the black one. I'm always weary of using scissors because, fun fact, my husband cut the tip of
No.
So I'm gonna follow the instructions so that I do this right. Is there a top and a bottom? Okay, doesn't specify which is which, so we're just gonna go with this, okay? Set this on top, like that. Come on, there we go, got it. Secure the top with these pieces. And these are hooks for the outside. I don't know exactly how I'm gonna use these yet, so I'm just gonna put them all on the front here, but maybe we'll move those around. Okay, all right, even I could do it. My first impression is that it is lightweight, which I think could be a good thing in the kind of space that we're using it for, but it is still sturdy. It was really easy to put together, and honestly, I like the look of it. I like that there's holes here for drainage, because this is probably going underneath a sink. Easy to clean, the material looks easy to wipe down. I'm excited. I'm excited to try this out. Here is what we're working with underneath my kitchen sink at the moment. This left side is kind of giving me some grief. I think what really gets us with these under cabinet spaces is that it's just this wide open space. It's usually pretty tall and it's usually pretty deep. It doesn't matter what you have inside there. You just kind of, if it fits, we shove it under there and we lose it. I want you to commit to a system, and a lot of times that is utilizing your vertical space. So you're not layering into the depths of your cabinet. You're going up, you can see it, it's easy to reach in and grab. I moved everything up here just so you can see it a little easier of what I'm gonna do. It looks nice. It's got a nice height to put taller products on. The length of it is good. It's not too deep, so it's gonna fit in a variety of different cabinet spaces. And you know what? I kind of like having my trash bags up here. I mean, it's a few inches, but it'll save my back, right? Look at that. I think it looks good there. The turntable still works there, but now I have got all this empty space in the middle, and I had those Lysol cans and those other cleaning products kind of hidden behind there. And I'll be honest, they were just kind of hard to reach. So it's nice to have them up further, up closer, easier to grab and go. I found a use for the hook. I use this on my sink. Look at that. She's cute. I'm happy how this turned out here, and I like this, but I want to try it out in one more space to see how I could use it in a bathroom. Spot number 2 that I'm going to try this out in is our guest bathroom. It's been a while, I'll be honest, since I've given this area any love, and so I think this is a great opportunity to clean it up and make it feel a little bit more homey and welcoming. This is gross. This is dirty. Let's say goodbye to this. And we'll replace it with And the Angels Sang. Just kidding.
Well, that fits nice.
Fits really nice in there.
That fits almost better in this one than it does.
Yeah.
There's like more room.
It's more height. Someone went to Costco.
Oh my.
Yeah, we're not gonna run out of
Don't do it.
chemicals.
Oh my goodness.
And then if we put that there, and we can fill it with some of our guest supplies. It is a little overwhelming because it's so full. Every time I go to the dentist, I just plop whatever they give me and put it in there.
Yeah, it's a lot.
This is a tall space right here, so I like the idea of keeping toothbrushes down there with some, oh, nope, I still got more toothbrushes. Listen, come to my house and you don't have to bring a toothbrush.
Do you floss?
All the time. Is my dentist watching this? Just kidding. I actually really do floss every day. Do you?
Are you asking me or the person watching the video?
Both. Tell me in the comments below. I am feeling happy about this. She cute. And I like this right now because when guests come, there is some empty space for them to put their things and feel kind of like they've been able to move in. But I just utilized stuff that I already had inside this container, and it's utilizing all of that vertical space, which this cabinet, bless it, has a ton of. So you've seen me use it in 2 different areas in my home, and I decided to keep it in the guest room. Are you surprised? I kind of am. I really thought I was gonna like it underneath my sink the most, but just worked the best in that space. Let me know which space you like the most in the comments below. And hey, if you're interested in more product recommendations, be sure to check out this video. I've got my top 3 products for your pantry. Now I kind of think I need a second one in my kitchen. I might just have to go buy a second one. Happy sorting.